All right, dear students, let's continue with the questions. The question number 10, it says, what's the mass of in grams of 0.5 moles of saccharose? So first of all, we know the mole, and they ask the mass. Which formula we will use? We will use m divided by capital M. Okay, so what's our small n? We know the small n is 0.5 moles. And we have to find the mass m. How do we find the molar mass? It's quite easy. So we have 12 carbon, we have 22 hydrogens, we have 11 oxygen. We should use the periodic table. Carbon mass is 12, so 12 times 12. Hydrogen mass is 1, so 22 times 1. Oxygen mass is 16, 11.16, and we have to add them to C. Always remember one example, 1 mole of water example. Always remember that this is 2.1618 grams. So now you can have one example on your mind in the exam, so you know what's the way of calculation it using the periodic table. So 12 times 12 plus 22 plus 11 times 16. So the answer is 342. So the 1 mole of this sucrose molecule is 342 grams. 342. So how do we find the m? M will be 342 times 0.5. Remember the cross multiplication method. This goes here, this multiplied by this. So times 0.5 will give us 171. All right, so for question number 11, it says which contains the greater number of particles. So it asks about the particles we can find, and the masses are given. So we can easily find the moles, which is quite easy. We have 10 grams of water. How do we find the moles of it? We use n is equal to m divided by capital M. So n will be 10 divided by 18. Let's find 10 divided by 18 gives us 0.55, etc. So what's the mass of mercury? Let's check it quickly. Mass of mercury. So mass of mercury is 200 grams. So if we have 10 grams of mercury, so we use, in order to find the mole amount, it's n divided by m. So it will be 10 divided by 200. 200, which will give us 0.05 mole. So one of them is 0.55 moles, and another is mercury is 0.05 moles. Of course, if we want to find the particles, we have to multiply both of them as 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, yes. 10 to the power 23. One more thing we can do, because it doesn't ask for molecule or atom, but we can also, if we take it as an atom, in water we have to multiply by 3 more, yes. So times 3, because in one water we have 3 atoms, so we can multiply by 2. Of course, this number will be more than that. For numbering question number 12, descending means going down. It's easier. It's about mole and mass. In each case, we are gonna use n is equal to m divided by capital M. Capital M molar masses are easy. What we should use? We should use the periodic table. So if you use the periodic table, the 1 mole of N2H4 will be 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. 3 moles of NH3 will be 3 times 17. Where 17 came from? 14 in nitrogen, 3 from hydrogen, gives us 51. And it will be 2 times 28, 56. And it will be 25.2, 50. Descending order, first comes 56, then comes 51, then comes 50, then comes 32. Thank you for listening.